A father's goodness is higher than the mountain, and a mother's goodness is deeper than the sea. This is a famous Japanese proverb. A very good morning, students. Open your English Beehive book. Today, we will discuss the next chapter of our English Beehive book, that is, chapter number 3, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield. In this chapter, we will read that children have a special bond with their parents. But first of all, we will discuss about the author. October 1988, she was a prominent short story writer who was born and brought up in colonial New Zealand and wrote under the pen name of Catherine Mansfield. At the age of 19, Mansfield left New Zealand and settled in United Kingdom, where she became a friend of modern writers. Mansfield suffered a fatal pulmonary hemorrhage in January 1922 after running up a flight of stairs. She died on 9th January 1923. She was a prolific writer in the final years of her life. Much of her work remained unpublished till her death. Now, we will start with the introduction of our chapter, The Little Girl. This is a story about a little girl. She feared her father greatly. She thought that he was hard-hearted and strict. She always avoided him. He often rebuked her. Rebuked means scold her. Once he beat her severely for tearing his important papers. But one night her mother was in the hospital. The little girl was afraid of the dark, but her father consoled her. This means that her father make her feel comfortable. She slept beside her father. Then she realized that her father was a very good person. Let's discuss the summary of the chapter. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. She thought that her father was like a giant. He had big hands and a big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. Before going to work, he went to the little girl's room. He gave her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy when her father had gone. In the evening, the little girl's father came back. He spoke loudly in the house. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. When she entered his room, he looked at her sternly. Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. One day, Kezia made a pincushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. She needed paper to stuff the pincushions. She found some sheets of paper in her father's room. She tore the sheets to stuff the pincushion. Beat her severely. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly. She wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. One day, Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. They all looked very happy together. But Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought that there were different kind of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Her grandmother took her to the hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with the nurse. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. At night, she had a horrible dream. She saw that there was a butcher with a knife. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room. He lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. He was tired and fell asleep before her. She was lost in thoughts. She thought that he had to work hard every day. He came in the evening, then he was too tired to play with her. She thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers. She realized that her father was not bad. He had a big and loving heart. Now, we will understand the theme of our chapter, The Little Girl. Parents need to punish their children when it is necessary to do so, and children who have been punished too much or too less undergo poor development. Kezia's father belongs to the wrong kind of parents. His act of upbringing his little child was unfit, and the instance of his hitting Kezia for ruining his very important speech sheets was wrong. On one side, the sheets were important for him, but the fact that Kezia ruined them for making him a birthday gift stands strongly against the father. Now, before we start the explanation of our chapter, let's understand the title of our chapter. The title of the story, The Little Girl, is appropriate as it is about a little girl, Kezia. All the episodes in the story describe the experiences, opinions, and observations made by Kezia. This story is in fact narrated from the point of view of Kezia alone. Her views about her father, her mother, her grandmother, their cook Alice, and their neighbors McDonald's. Let the reader know what a little girl thinks and how she feels regarding the people around her. Thus, the title is very appropriate. Now, in our next video, we will start the explanation of our chapter.